Do insurance companies cover natural disasters? It depends upon what kind of insurance you are taking. Are you investing in life insurance or in term insurance or in motor insurance? First, you need to decide what kind of insurance you are interested in. Term insurance. If you are expecting coverage from term insurance, then forget about it, as there is no clause for damage or death caused due to natural disasters like floods, earthquakes, hurricanes, cyclones, landslides, storms, tsunami, etc. Eventually, you will not get financial protection against any natural disasters in term insurance. Life insurance. In life insurance, the scenario is opposite to term insurance. Here, you will get protection or coverage from any mishappening, like death, occurring due to natural calamities. In case of your death, your family will be compensated for the loss in the form of financial help. Motor insurance. There are plenty of insurance companies in India that offer coverage to your vehicle from natural disasters. As taking motor insurance has become a compulsion in India, so an individual should first look whether the motor insurance plan cover includes damages from natural disasters. Insurance covers life and non-life. Life insurance cover. If a person who has taken a life insurance policy and the natural disaster leads to death of the person, then the family of the person would get compensated for the loss of life as per the terms of the policy. Non-life insurance cover. Non-life insurance comprises of loss to property due to natural disaster. If the owner has opted for acts of gods and earthquake cover, which includes natural disasters like earthquake, tsunami, then the property damage will pick up the claims pertaining to the losses. Business interruption cover. If taken, will cover the loss of profit arising due to the property damage. Yes, if the policy names the natural disaster as a covered peril and the disaster meets the specific minimum criteria. Flood insurance. Through the National Flood Insurance Program (NFIP), must have natural flooding that affected 3 or more properties. An instance of this could be if dam or levee breaks that results in the natural flooding of the protected properties. Also, earthquake policies in California, which covers damage caused by an earthquake. An earthquake is defined as shaking or lateral movement of the ground due to movement of the tectonic plates. It does not cover damage caused by shaking due to any mechanical device. i.e., a large truck or jackhammer. Yes, but not under the name natural disasters, but as damage from a peril such earthquake, windstorm, and so on. The coverage can be quite wide and include not just physical damage but inability to access or use premises, for instance. However, you have to be careful because some perils may be excluded, especially flood, if insurers do not feel they can manage the losses they could suffer. Yes. Any act of good perils, natural disasters, earthquake, landslides, floods, etc. can be covered. It is an inclusive part of your life or accident policy. For insuring your home or business assets, you have to specifically mention insurers to provide cover for natural disasters. In India, fire insurance policy with earthquake endorsement covered fire, flood, inundation, typhoon, hurricane, tempest, landslide, etc. perils. Householder policy is suitable for householders to cover all above perils. If anybody seeks any assistance in this regard, please tell me. I will suggest him proper coverage. You can buy a life insurance that gives a certain amount when you die. But that is getting prohibitively expensive. When you get older, you can also buy a funeral insurance. That will get you a decent burial. But when you get old, you have paid for the funeral with the premiums you paid.